Ki khubor ka bate Cctv. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Habakaran halo kajing bambiang CCTV kamera hagi jaka jungok kai umentri ke tanat jungok kai ba polling do uloang beki syukrem ki bawan kai sya Sohra ki wan honeymoon bat kamlong ke besok mencubu CCTV hamban lagi jaka bagi beri bawan kai ki dan kamru ban yo kajing buri yalade omban ci paulot kat bale kum tau loong ba om la hiru ban bu CCTV man lagi jaka ulabu jingkli dak baong Hato longhi semo ban Pyndait Cctv syakiriat kiram Jong ke Sohra. Uloang baga Sohra kan pinjanai kerukam terekam ketenak jengok kai bat kamut pat mencubu CCTV kat cabadan.
Gini elek mentawan penbahar yakini ki SOPs ki Jong Standard Operating Procedures. Standard Operating Procedures ni nginang penbahar susu yaki Henry hakan ni case kamdei ba Meghalaya ka jak kurang. Henry kepau minta ba ke state jongi lapen sai sabar along sai kedar ba ke Meghalaya kalong ke Basingan kalong parlok bati tourist ndai lada ki tourist ki kelak criminal te ngin kumnongin beda kata no they should have just remained indoor at indoor boleh kenuan sini our tourist destinations are safe. Sohra itself, this is the first ever case of a crime ever been reported. There has not been any instances of even assaults on tourists. But when people come here with the motive of murdering somebody, how do we prevent that from happening? And these are a married couple on their honeymoon. How do we track their movements when they refuse the service of guides as well? I said we will immediately review the entire situation, upscale whatever facilities we have. But let me also remind you that tourists also come here to enjoy nature, to enjoy their private moments. This couple had come on a honeymoon. How can we fix CCTVs wherever they go? Would they like that? Is it humanly possible for us to fit CCTVs across all gorges in Sohra? Is it even desirable? We already have.
Yeah. No, actually, a lot of lodges and homestays actually have been advised to have CCTVs and all that. It becomes very helpful, and that helps us also, where, especially places where you have high footfall. But it's not possible. You see the span of that place. Let me just tell you, the search initially was conducted over 150 square kilometers. It is not possible in that kind of terrain to have, even in the city, we've just had the smart city recently, only about 300 cameras. So you can well imagine that terrain is like you have gorges and the kind of undergrowth you have out there. It is not possible to have everywhere CCTVs. And so we can insist and advise that in homestays and certain places where the footfall is high, hotels, lodges and all that, to have CCTVs. It is helpful.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs. This is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.